family 6 years ago through a mutual friend who was already a member of the auxiliary committee, and in typical Mary fashion, she wanted in on this fight. Mary immediately became an auxiliary committee member, one of the chairs of the journal committee, and she also serves as the secretary of the executive board. This past year, we lost our loving friend, Barb Lefevre, who we all know as the queen of the journal. With Barb being gone, Mary knew she had some big shoes to fill, and with the help of many others, Mary and her journal team raised over $38,000 this year. How amazing is that? Not long after, her husband David found his fondness for volunteering for the fund as well. David has served as a vital committee member in our annual Run for Their Life event, which takes place each October. Together, the two have joined hand in hand, making it a life mission to serve the Carol Baldwin Breast Cancer Research Fund. Mary and David have both said they feel extremely fortunate to be working collaboratively with such an amazing group of people who truly are passionate about finding a cure for this dreadful disease. And although Mary has volunteered for many organizations throughout the years, the Carol M. Baldwin's Fund message has touched a special place in her heart. The feeling is mutual. Mary and David, you are more than just volunteer members. You have become a part of this family. The two of you are very special to me. I love the two of you, and I want you to know my family is indebted to the boundless effort that you put into my grandmother's organization. And tonight, we are here to honor just how amazing the two of you are. Thank you for your friendship, your determination, your generosity, and constant willingness to fight with us. Together, we will find a cure. On behalf of the Carol M. Baldwin Fund, I would like to present the 2014 Figum Modis Award to Mary Lou and David Bird.
The Baldwin family, board members, auxiliary members, and countless volunteers. Courage, kindness, friendship, and character are the qualities that define us as human beings and propel us to greatness. Without each of you, this would not be possible. May we continue to work together, nurture and support one another as we continue to grow the Carol M. Baldwin Breast Cancer Research Fund. I am so proud to share in this journey with all of you. To the breast cancer survivors out there, as you struggle to make all your dreams happen, take comfort in knowing that the Carol M. Baldwin Fund will do everything humanly possible to make that happen. As Ronald Reagan once said, we can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. Thank you so much for this tremendous, great honor. We feel sincerely blessed to be standing here tonight.
Thank you, Jacqueline, for those kind words. For the record, Mary is the one who truly deserves this award. Yes, I have volunteered at many events over the years, although Mary is the one who has spent countless hours, phone calls, and emails working on the journal ads for this amazing event here tonight. In addition, she devotes her time and effort as a secretary on the Carol M. Baldwin Board of Directors. It is with sincere gratitude that we accept this honor bestowed upon us. Mary and I have wanted very much to be a worthwhile, useful, and of value in our community, and this honor suggests that in some way we have begun to achieve this. The Carol M. Baldwin's Fund marked achievements in the quest to find a cure for breast cancer are remarkable. What is unique to us is that the Baldwin's Fund mission, as well as the entire family, In partnership with the community, strives selflessly to help women become empowered, inspired, and courageous while they are undertaking daunting health issues. By nurturing the human spirit, it is our hope that they may find strength and comfort to overcome their obstacles. Through the fund's dedication and encouragement, many find determination they never knew they had. The Carol Ann Baldwin Fund is guided by the mission of truly caring and genuine devotion with the hope of ensuring the patient back to a normal, healthy state. Together with the board, auxiliary, and countless volunteers, we continue to strive to fulfill our duty to cherish every human life. As the saying goes, that which does not kill us makes us stronger. We have gained an appreciation of achieving and fulfilling the Carol Ann Baldwin Fund's mission with all of you, while embracing the wonderful spirit of true teamwork and mutual cooperation, which has become the Baldwin trademark. We are proud to be associated with this worthy fund. No one achieves anything alone. Individually, we are one drop. Collectively, we are an ocean. For us, the journey itself has been the reward. Thank you again to the Carol Ann Baldwin Fund for achieving far beyond what anyone would have expected. Your teaching and inspiration is an example of what true giving is all about. Thank you, and have a great evening.